Hey everybody, check it out. They're paving the road. This is how they work. They just filled it up with that big old truck. And now they got to run all over it. They're laying it down. And he's over there, he wants to roll it. So we'll watch him for a little bit. There they are. Here's the roller. They got to roll over it. They lay it down and he rolls over it. Yep. Check it out. There ain't a single woman out here working. And you women feminists demand equality, but you don't want to do the same jobs as men. And you wonder why there's a pay gap. They actually have a woman working driving a truck doing the cushiony job, easy job, so to speak. Anyway, check them out. She was getting yelled at by the guy. Okay, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. Check it out. So here's what they gotta do. They gotta take that stuff, back it up to that vehicle. She's gonna dump a bunch of stuff into the cat so that they can pour more asphalt down. And then that thing right there paves, rolls over it, and goes over and slide and roll. Check it out. At least it's not like super hot today out here. It's actually a decent day for them to be doing this. See? As they pour it, they walk. And then it comes out in the end. And then you got one guy, and you got, see, the guy has to be stirring it. And the guy has to be scraping it. They have to do it very slowly. Take your time. Repaving the roads. Check it out. I can paint the lines too with that little piece right there that's on the end. I think they use that to paint the lines, sprays paints. So they'll have to do that later. But there's our tax dollars at work here. These roads needed paved for a while. If we didn't have a school like down the street over there, they probably would have done this. Just saying. But these roads in front of my house, they get used a lot. See, you gotta make sure that it's paved just right. And then he rolls over it, check it out. Steamrolling over it, flattening it. Pretty neat how they roll. see you got one guy scraping some of the stuff, excess out of the way. You got the other guy. Yeah, see it? It's like smoking, steaming over there. There it goes. That might actually get this part finished by the day. Said they were. It looks like they probably are. It's what they've been doing all day, even while I was gone. Hard working man, working on a working man's PhD. That's what they're doing right here. Think you should put things straight. Some people be pulling their weight. A little dose of reality. Working on a working man's PhD. That's a song by Aaron Timpin. Pretty good. Go look it up. But yeah. So that's it. You remember, guys, good all the time. All the time, guys, good. Keep on gaming. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Jesus loves you. Jesus God. Jesus Lord. Jesus King. Jesus ruler everything. And have a great, wonderful day. Laters. Y'all probably tired of watching this by now. I don't know, some people like it, might like it. It's kind of cool, kind of interesting. But you get the gist of it after like 7 or 7 minutes. Or up, anyway, later. You get the gist of it in less than 10 minutes. Because they're just going to basically do it over and over and over and over again until it's done. And I'm pretty sure y'all don't watch all that. So, signing off right now.